Global stocks sink after Wall Street declines. Beijing global stocks fell Thursday after Wall Street declined despite encouraging Chinese economic data. Benchmarks in London, Frankfurt, Shanghai and Tokyo retreated. London 100 fell 0.2% to 7,455.47 and Frankfurt C8X lost 2 points to 12,150.61. France's CAC 40 declined 0.3% to 5,544.85. In Asia, the Shanghai Composite Index retreated 0.4% to 3,250.20 and Tokyo's Nikkei 225 shed 0.8% to 22,090.12. Hong Kong's Hang Seng retreated 0.5% to 29,963.26 and Seoul's Kospi tumbled 1.4% to 2,213.77 following reports of problems with Samsung Electronics' new foldable smartphone. Sydney's S&P-S 200 was up 3 points at 6,259.80 and India's Sensex retreated 0.1% to 39,247.01. New Zealand, Taiwan and Singapore also declined. U.S. stocks fell despite data showing Chinese gross domestic product growth held steady in the latest quarter in the face of a tariff war with Washington and consumer spending accelerated. The surprisingly robust China GDP data failed to ignite a rally on Wall Street as U.S. investors turned focus to domestic concerns, Stephen Innes of STI Asset Management said in a report. He said investors are increasingly cautious about possibly misreading economic signals. Wall Street's slide was led by healthcare stocks. Investors fear the potential impact on profits from reform ideas being discussed in Washington and on the presidential campaign trail. Qualcomm led gains in the technology sector. Intel climbed after pulling out of the smartphone modem market. T-Mobile and Sprint slumped on reports the Justice Department is questioning their proposed merger. On Wall Street, the future for the benchmark Standard & Poor's 500 index was up 0.2% and that for the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 0.3%. U.S.-China trade. The Wall Street Journal reported U.S. and Chinese negotiators are planning 2 more rounds of meetings aimed at ending a tariff war over Beijing's technology ambitions. The newspaper, citing unidentified sources, said the 2 sides are aiming for a signing ceremony in late May or early June. The countries have raised tariffs on billions of dollars of each other's goods, rattling global financial markets. Washington and other trading partners say Beijing's plans for state-led creation of Chinese competitors in robotics and other technologies violated market opening commitments. United States economy. The Federal Reserve says the economy expanded at a moderate pace in March and early April, despite uncertainty caused by trade tensions and Midwest flooding. The Fed's Beige book on economic conditions said weakness remains, especially in sluggish consumer spending, which accounts for 2/3 of economic activity. The report will form the basis for discussion when central bank officials meet April 30th, Tyson May 1st to discuss interest rates. Energy. Benchmark U.S. crude lost 13 cents to $63 per barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. The contract fell 29 cents on Wednesday to close at $76. Brent crude, used to price international oil, declined 26 cents to $66 per barrel in London. It shed 10 cents in the previous session to $62. Currency. The dollar declined to 111.86 yen from Wednesday's 112.5 yen. The euro fell to $1,261 from $1,299. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.